Hello everyone, today I will teach you how to assemble back a broken Rubik's cube. There could be various reasons to assemble back a Rubik's cube, like if you have broken your Rubik's cube or for while using the cube you might forgot how to put it back. The first step to assemble the Rubik's cube is take the core of the Rubik's cube, which is this, and place the white side on bottom like this, and then find all the white edges containing the white color, and then make a white cross out of it like this. To put the edges back, first take a edge and place it over here like this, and then press it like this, and then after pressing it you can just move it like this, and then after making the white cross type one, put it at the bottom. Then take all the corners containing the white side and assemble them like this. And now push it. After putting all the sides, you will have to take all the rest of the edges and to put the edges you have to just similarly take them, hold them like this and press them. After completing this part, now take all the remaining edges and keep one aside like this, and put rest of the edges by first holding the cube like this, little tilted, and then push them very hard, and then they will be inserted. And repeat with all the edges, but do not put one edge. Before putting the last edge, the second last edge, first take all the corners which will come over here and then put them like this, and then take this edge and make a little gap and then push it. And now move the upper layer 45 degrees like this, and then push the corners again like before. Now the last and the most difficult step is to put this edge back. So after making the 45 degrees, first then expand these two like this, and then put it again at the angle of 45 degrees, and then try to push it, and now your cube will be assembled.